Hello everyone, this is my homework solution for lesson 29 of Paul McWhorter's great course on AI on the Edge. And the task was to build a proportional tracking of pan tilt camera of several objects which can be marked by a click of the mouse. I added some of my previous code. In the meantime, the whole system gets quite large. But anyway, as far as I could see, it is working fine, and so here I will show you what it does. We start the program as usual, and soon the camera is looking somewhere close to me. Now I need something to track. Let's, for example, start with those pins. I have stopped the tracking when the program starts. Now I'll choose this pin, and here we go. We're tracking, we're fast tracking to the sides, and I'm quite more or less satisfied with the speed of tracking. I stopped it a little bit, and of course we can just go here to stop the motors and then select another object like that. And here we go again with tracking. Yes. Here we stop. Here we go again. And of course I also can do some different colors. This one. Okay, thank you all for watching. That's all for today, and back to Paul's great course. Bye-bye.